Welcome back, my dear children. How have you all been? We are in the fourth episode of Ramayana today. Shall we do a quick recap on what happened in the third episode? Can you tell me the previous part of the story? Yes, King Dasharatha remembered on how he killed Shravana Kumara by accident. He also remembered how his parents had cursed Dasharatha to die alone without his sons being with him. He also saw how Rama, Sita and Lakshmana went to 14 years of Vanavasa and settled at the bank of river Godavari. Now, let us continue the story. One day, when Rama, Sita and Lakshmana were walking in the forest, a demon called Shurpanaka saw Rama. Children, can you tell me what is a demon? Yes, demon is a monster with magical powers. This demon Shurpanaka sees Rama. Rama was a very handsome man. She likes Rama a lot and wants to marry him. But children, remember Shurpanaka is a monster? She was very scary to look at. She knew that Rama would get scared if he sees her like this. Hence, she uses her magical powers and turns into a beautiful woman. She goes to Rama and tells him that she wants to marry Rama. But Rama was already married to Sita. And also remember, he was very loyal. Children, do you know what is the meaning of loyal? It means that when you are with someone and they trust you, you never cheat or break their trust. For example, you do not go and say bad things about your friends at their back or leave your friends when they are having a bad time. Since Rama was very loyal to Sita, he tells Shurpanaka that he cannot marry anyone else. He tells her to go to Lakshmana and try to marry him. Shurpanaka sees Lakshmana and finds him also to be handsome. She asks Lakshmana to marry her. But children, Lakshmana was very short-tempered. He used to get angry very quickly for small things. Lakshmana got angry and said he cannot marry Shurpanaka. Shurpanaka also gets angry and disappointed. She went to attack and kill Sita. In anger, Lakshmana cuts the nose of Shurpanaka after he understands that she is a demon. Shurpanaka cries in pain with blood covering all over her face. She then gets angry and wants to take revenge on Rama and Lakshmana for rejecting her. Children, can you tell me what is revenge? Have you ever taken away your friend's toy or your brother's or sister's toy because they took away yours? Did you wanted them to feel sad and cry? Well, this is called revenge, my dear children. Doing bad to someone because they did bad to you is revenge. Revenge is a very bad thing, children, and we should never take revenge on anyone. The demon Shurpanaka was the sister of King Ravana who ruled the kingdom of Lanka. Since she wanted to take revenge on Rama, she went to her brother Ravana and told him what happened. She also told him how beautiful Sita is and that Ravana should bring her to Lanka and marry her. Ravana got very angry and wanted to take revenge on her sister's pain. He decided to kidnap Sita. But Ravana was scared of Rama as Rama was a superhero. He knew that Rama would kill him if he ever touched Sita or kidnapped her. Hence, he sends another demon called Maricha, disguising him as a golden deer. My dear children, have you ever seen a deer? Can you tell me which color is a deer? Yes, it's brown color. But this deer was very special. Do you know why? Because it was gold in color. Maricha uses his magical powers and becomes a golden deer and goes near the river Godavari. Sita sees this beautiful golden deer and asks Rama to get it, as she has never seen anything like this before. So Rama goes to hunt the deer. The deer runs and runs far away, making Rama follow it. After chasing the golden deer for a long time, Rama shoots an arrow at it. The arrow pierces the deer, and it all of a sudden turns into demon and shouts, "Oh Sita! "Oh Lakshmana!" in Rama's voice. Children, what happens when your parents call your name in pain or panic? You get scared and run to them to check if they are okay, isn't it? Since the demon wanted Sita and Lakshmana to get scared, he shouts in Rama's voice so that they get worried that Rama is hurt and come to help Rama. Sita gets very worried that Rama is in danger and asks Lakshmana to go and check for Rama and to bring him back. Lakshmana thinks, if I go to check on Rama, Sita will be all alone here. This is a forest with a lot of wild animals, and there are demons too. Who will protect Sita if they attack her? Thinking this, Lakshmana comes up with a plan. He draws an enchanted magical line around Sita's house and tells her, Sita, this is a magical line. No one can cross this line but me and Rama. Please do not step out and cross this line until I return. You will be safe inside this line. Children, have you ever heard of Lakshman Rekha? Where did you hear it? Is it a white chalk-like thing? Does your mama use it to draw a line near ants so that the ants die if they cross it? Well, children, this name comes from the line drawn by Lakshmana, which is also called as Lakshman Rekha, meaning Lakshmana's line. This is very magical and powerful line and will kill anyone who crosses this line. Ravana was waiting for this opportunity. So as soon as Lakshmana left, Rama turned himself into a sadhu or a saint. He had a saffron bag and came to Sita asking for bhiksha or dhan. Children, bhiksha's literal meaning is begging. We have seen very poor people begging for food, clothes and money, isn't it? But in olden days, the meal or the food sadhu eats had to be given by others as bhiksha or dhan. Sadhu were following this as this reminded them to be simple and humble at heart. Also, in the olden days, when a sadhu comes for bhiksha, it was the dharma or duty of the household to offer food and other things. Thinking this, Sita went inside the house to get some food for sadhu. Ravana tried crossing the Lakshman Rekha, but he could not cross it. Every time he tried crossing the line, there was fire trying to jump on him. Sita comes out and remembers Lakshmana's word that she should not cross the line at any cost. Sita tells to Sadhu to stretch his hand so that she could give him food from far away. Ravana, in the form of Sadhu, gets very angry and humiliates Sita. He says, "How rude are you to offer food from far, as if I am a beggar? I know that you have come to Vanavasa with Rama and Lakshmana. I also know that Rama has gone to hunt a golden deer for you. And Rama is in danger now. If you do not come close and offer the food with respect, I will curse that Rama dies at this moment." Children, will you be happy if something bad happens to your parents or family or friends? We will become very sad and would never want such bad things to happen to them, isn't it? Similarly, Sita feels very sad and doesn't want anything to happen to Rama. She begs the sadhu not to curse Rama. She finally crosses the Lakshman Rekha feeling very scared. When she tries to offer the food, the sadhu turns himself into Ravana. Seeing Ravana, Sita faints and falls down. Ravana carries Sita and starts heading towards his kingdom, Lanka. Children, have you heard of the saying, "A friend in need is a friend indeed"? We make friends not only because we like them and we want to spend more time with them and to share our things with them. We make friends so that we can go back to them when we have a bad time and ask them for help. A friend who helps you when you need it is your true friend indeed. Rama's father, King Dasharatha, had a very special friend. He was an eagle and a very special bird. His name was Jatayu. When Jatayu sees Ravana kidnapping Sita, he flies to him and fights to help Sita escape. But Ravana was very cruel. He fights with this harmless bird and hurts it by cutting its wings. Jatayu falls down, covered in blood, and cries in pain. While this happens, Rama and Lakshmana were absolutely safe and had understood that there was something wrong. They understand that both of them have been tricked by the demons. Rama and Lakshmana start searching for Sita everywhere in the forest. On their way, they find Jatayu lying on the ground. They see that it has been severely hurt and full of blood. Jatayu tells Rama that Ravana had kidnapped Sita and took her away. Rama tries to hug Jatayu to comfort him. After saying this, Jatayu dies. Rama and Lakshmana feel very sad and gives Jatayu a last hug. While this was happening, Ravana took Sita to Lanka and kept her in a garden. The name of this garden was Ashokavana. He told Sita that she has time for 1 year or 12 months to marry Ravana. Sita was very sad and started waiting for Rama to come and rescue her. So children, shall we end the story here? Can you tell me what we learnt in today's episode? We learned that we should be loyal to our friends and family. We should never leave them or cheat them or break their trust. We also learned that when someone comes to us asking for food, clothes, etc., we should be very kind to them. We should not treat them differently by standing far from them or not touching them. We also learned how a true friend should be. When we are friends with someone, we should always help them when they are in need. So children, did you like today's episode? If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to remind your parents to show you more Ramayana videos. Okay then children, let us end the episode here. See you later. Bye bye.